to our channel. I'm Mindy.
And I'm Brian.
Happy Canada Day, eh?
Yes, we're at the Canada Day celebrations here in Langley, British Columbia at the Historic Langley Speedway. It closed in 1984, but there are still some special events put on here. And today we have Jellybean Autocrafters that sponsors this car show. Lots of rides to take a look at. Let's have a look around.
While the city below hides its old movie scars, I see little Anna Turner in a sweater of white, a vision of glamour in the pale city light. And Rock Hudson's smile, so steady and true, bringing the magic of a world that we knew. It's a long distance dance through a decade of grace, where time cannot wither a beautiful face. Oh, let's drift through the echoes of the silver screen into the moments and the spaces between, where the neon is soft and the memories stay gold, in a Hollywood story that never grows old, just a nostalgic dream in a 4-minute frame, where every heartbeat whispers a name. There's Marlon Brando with a rebel's dark stare, the smell of the leather and the wild in the air, and Kim Novak walking through a Hitchcockian haze with a mystery hidden in her emerald gaze. The cameras are rolling, the silence is deep. These are the promises the celluloid will keep. Oh, let's drift through the echoes of the silver screen into the moments and the spaces between, where the neon is soft and the memories stay gold, in a Hollywood story that never grows old. The credits are rolling, the theater is still, but I'm walking that lane and I always will. Lana and Marlon, Kim and the rest, in the heart of the dream we were truly blessed.
I was walking down the high street with my head up in the blue. Didn't know the day would change. When I turned and spotted you, there you are, smiling my way like the sunshine starting